Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me an email needing help drawing a herringbone pattern. And this is what I consider a herringbone pattern. This is probably the easiest thing you can draw. There's just one thing to take in consideration when you make your rectangle. Don't hold down the control button. Have your ratio unlocked, but make it proportionally, so 3, and then make the length double that, which is 6. Rotate it 45 degrees. Control D to make a duplicate and mirror it. Then just take, let's get the pick tool, and just take and put that right there. Now it looks a little bit off, but when we put them all together, I'm going to Control D to duplicate it, and I'm going to grab the 4-point cross. And if you hit it on the first time, then you can just keep controlling D all the way down. I would suggest Control G to group it, Control D to duplicate it, and then just move that point to the other point. And then if you hit it the first time, you can keep going. This is a really cool pattern to think about things. Let me just play with what you could do with this. I'm going to ungroup this, and I'm going to take away the bottom ones. And if this one was, say, going underneath it, if it was like a woven pattern, I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool, and I'm going to use it, and I'm going to go with a light gray, and then I'm going to make this one gray. But I'm going to take this one, I'm going to use the interactive fill tool, and because we're probably going to go both directions, I'm going to put black at both ends. Get black, and I'm just dragging the black over. But then I'm going to drag at light gray and put it in the middle. And if you don't think it's enough, and I think I hit it perfect that time, and really you need to do this to both of them. So what we could do is just take this one, and I'm going to get rid of the outline, and then I'm going to Control D to duplicate it and mirror it a negative 45 degrees, or I could have mirrored it and then just put that there. And then I'm going to go ahead and group them, Control G to Control D to duplicate it, and then get that 4-point cross. And if you hit it the first time, you can do that right there. Let's Control G to group, Control D to duplicate, get one of the points and move it over there. And if you get on the first click, you'll get that pattern. Kind of looks like a woven. It's a herringbone pattern, but it makes it a little bit stand out. Hope that answered his question, and thank you for watching.